Hi ladies, it's Beth from Be Styled coming to you on a Friday. It's not Tipsy Tuesday, but what this is the Cliff's Notes version of Tuesday's Tipsy Tuesday about fall packing. My fall packing guide, what I would pack for a week-long or 5 to 7 day long casual fall getaway. I talked about it on Tuesday, but in true Beth style, I definitely rambled on and tangents and yak. So I want, because it's a hot topic for a lot of you, I want to give you a quicker rundown and show you exactly what I would pack without all the commentary, okay? So from the start, first thing you're going to do once you know where you're going and your weather and all that is you're going to pick your neutral palette. The foundation of this whole packing strategy is everything you bring needs to work with at least 2 other things, preferably 3, preferably all of it. The way I have mine mixed here, it all mixes and matches. So if you can accomplish that, all the better. But keep in mind, before anything goes in the bag, it has to work with 2 things. This entire week's worth of capsule wardrobe fits into a carry-on suitcase. I've done it. It works. It's doable, okay? So first thing, what's your neutral palette? Is it black and white, gray and white, navy and white? Is it camel and cream? You pick based on your coloring and based on your wardrobe. But come up with that neutral palette because that's going to be in the back of your mind. And then what I do is I pick 2 accent colors that work with my neutrals and in solids, and I add those. And then I try to have 1 pattern, ideally, that works with everything as well. So think about your color palette first, okay? Now, I always start with the shoes because shoes are the hardest and people overpack shoes and they are the heaviest. So my rule of thumb for a week is no more than 3 pairs of shoes. Yes, it can be done. These are the shoes I would bring. I would bring a pair of white sneakers, or if you're a runner, bring your running shoes. Just make sure they're neutral, like black or gray. Nothing with lots of color and stripes and whatnot. Neutral. White leather sneakers are my go-to. I would wear these on the plane with a pair of joggers and a white t-shirt and a black cardigan, wrap cardigan. I would wear my gray joggers, a white tee, and these sneakers. That's what I would wear on the plane because those are all things that I'm going to wear when I get there as well. And I'm going to wear it on the plane there, and I'm going to turn around and wear the exact same thing on the plane home to keep it simple. But this is your first pair of shoes. Second pair of shoes is a neutral, walkable flat. In my case, it's going to be my booties, my neutral taupe booties. It could be a taupe loafer, a tan loafer, cognac loafer, a mule, but something that's not a sneaker, but that's walkable, and but you know, a shoe, okay, and wearable with other things. And then last but not least, you might be able to leave it at that. If it's just a weekend, I would just leave it at that. But for a week, you might need a dress shoe as well. So you got to keep it neutral with this, ladies, okay? So either a black or a neutral, you know, skin color, low walkable heel would be my pick for the third and final shoe, okay? Shoes, check. Next, the second thing we're going to work on is pants. Pants are the hardest. Next to shoes, pants are the hardest. So we're going to go with those next. You get 4 pairs of pants, ladies, okay? You're going to wear your comfortable, stretchy pants. For me, it's my boho joggers in charcoal gray. Maybe for you, it's leggings. Maybe it's a pair of black joggers you have, okay? But that's my travel pant. But I make sure it's not like a pair of schlumpy sweatpants. It's a pair of joggers that you can then wear with your jean jacket and sneakers and a t-shirt walking around a town, okay? So think about what your casual, you know, plane ride or travel pant is going to be. Okay, so that's your first pair of pants that you're going to travel in and wear during the week. Second, for me, pair of pants would be a pair of black Ponte, which I don't, oh yeah, I do, my black Ponte knit pants. Stretchy, elastic waist, can be very casual with sneakers or dressed up with heels. They don't wrinkle, they don't show anything. They're comfortable, they're smoothing, they're flattering. That's number 2 pair of pants. Number 3 would be a pair of jeans. These are my Democracy jeans with the stretchy waistband. They feel like sweatpants or feel like yoga pants, but they're jeans. And they are a mid-wash. They're not dark wash, they're not really, really light wash. So they're forgiving. If I spill something on them, like, you know, with light wash, they're gonna show. Medium wash, it's not going to show as much. And the beauty of medium wash is it looks great with black. If it's a dark wash and you're wearing black, it might be too dark. So I like a medium wash, straight leg jean that I can cuff, or I could wear long. That's the beauty of a straight leg jean. You can cuff it for a more casual look with your sneakers or loafers. And then if you want to wear them with a heel and you want to have them full length, you have that option. So versatility. So that's the third pair of pants. And then the fourth pair of pants is sort of up to you. I recommend a non-black denim. You know what I mean? So, something else. So for me, I would bring these as like an olive. It's called twig pant. That's my wide leg pull-on pant. Maybe you have a pair of cargo, like olive cargo pants or tan pants or white jeans, something like that. That's going to work with your whole capsule. Okay, so that's your four pairs of pants. Next, you get 6 tops, which is a lot. That's a lot of tops. Okay, but again, this is all going to fit in my carry-on. I would bring a black top. This is just a black, sort of elevated top. It could just be a black tee. You know, if you have like a beyond basic black top that you could also wear with, you know, a little dressed up or with your jeans. Make it sure it works with all your pants. That black top should work with all 4 pairs of pants you're bringing. Okay, same with the white top. I would bring a button down because I'm going to be wearing my white tee on the plane. So I'd bring a button down just because it's just, you know, I've got one on. This is the longer one. It doesn't wrinkle. It's wrinkle free. This is the Tortuga or the Trailblazer by Peach. Doesn't wrinkle. It's wicking material so you can sweat. Doesn't show sweat stains. It doesn't yellow. And it just, you know, it just looks great all week long. It's going to last all week long, and you can, you know, wear it with all your pants. So black top, white top. Then I would bring a black and white striped top because it's going to work with all 4 of my pants. Adds a little pattern, but it's a neutral pattern. Okay, because you could wear it with, if your pair of neutral flats was leopard, you could wear your stripe with leopard paint, with leopard, either a leopard belt to add some interest or leopard shoes. But the stripe, again, works with all 4 pairs of pants. Okay, then I would bring a pattern top. In this case, it's a blouse, so it could be dressy, or I could wear it with jeans. And this blouse works with my olive pants, my black pants, my denim pants, and it actually even works with the gray bohos. You know, I could totally dress up the bohos with this top as well. Okay, then you have, so those are your first 4 tops. Then you have 2 more, and these are your wild cards. Well, the floral is a wild card too. But then you have 2, this is where I pick my 2 accent colors. I picked a blush tee and a twig tee. Twig meaning like this olivey, it's not really olive, it's like a gray green. The reason I picked this is because I can pair it with the pants, the exact same color, both by Peach, and I just created a jumpsuit by combining these 2 pieces. Then I could throw on any of my toppers that I'm going to show you, jean jacket, cardigan, scarf wrap, and this jumpsuit can be casual or dressy, but and I can also wear this top with jeans, with black, with jeans, black, and with the bohos, with everything. Same with the pink. Okay, are you with me, ladies? 6 tops, black, white, stripe, pattern. Your pattern could be a plaid. It could be just something to add a little bit of interest. If you're going where you need to get dressed up, pick a blouse that's not going to get wrinkled or wrecked, but that works with all 4 of your pants, okay? And then you have your 2 accent colors. You pick, go in your closet and pick the accent colors that you like that work with your pants, okay? Now we're on to our third piece, our toppers. I would bring 3. I would wear on the plane probably this, no, that's not it. I would wear the black flyaway cardigan just because it's comfortable, it's warm, I can wear it tied, I can wear it long, and I wear it with the bohos. But I could also wear this with any of my pants, with any of the shirts, okay? So I'd bring black. Then I would bring a color cardigan just to add some color. This color cardigan works with all of my tops, works with all 6 of my tops. It even works with the blush, which is just lucky that it totally works with the blush. It's like a tone-on-tone combination, but it's intentional. I brought the blush because I know it's going to work with all my tops. you know, it works with my pattern top, works with the blush. Okay, so black, in my case, a color cardigan, or it could be a jacket if you'd rather. And then I always bring my denim jacket wherever I go. And I could always wear this on the plane as well. This is just going with me wherever I go on this earth, okay? Is this good? Are you guys getting this? Okay, so those are your 3 toppers. Then here's an optional item. Depending on what you're going to be doing, I would bring a basic neutral, what I call a day dress. This is just I think it's called the essential dress or the signature dress. Again, it's wrinkle free. Wrap it up, tie it up, roll it up in a ball. It's not going to wrinkle. You're not going to do that, but you could. And you know, wear this with the jean jacket, with any of the toppers, with the cardigan, with the jean jacket, with the wrap I'm going to show you. And you could wear it with the black cardigan. That'd be a little dark. I probably wouldn't do that. You could wear it with the white shirt. You could put this white shirt, the white button-down shirt, over this and tie it and use the white button-down shirt as a topper, okay? So that's, and you're going to accessorize this too. But for the dress, keep it a simple dress that's going to survive packing and that you can dress up and dress down. I could wear that same dress with my white sneakers, with my booties, or with heels, and make it 3 completely different looks just by changing the shoes, okay, and the jewelry and the topper. That's the whole idea. So you're not going to look like you're wearing the same things every day, right? You're going to change things up, okay? So dress, and then last but not least, this is the magical piece. It's just basically like a blanket, gray. It also comes in like a mocha color and maybe black. I don't know. It's Flirty Finds. You can check it out. It's got some cashmere in it. It's a great size. Just throw it out, you know, bring it in your bag to have with you on the plane. So if you get cold, have it in the air conditioning. You could wear it with any of your tops in lieu of a cardigan or on top of your cardigan for added warmth. Or if it's really cold, tie it like a scarf. But this is powerful, ladies. You got to have something like this and keep it neutral so that it works with everything. Okay. And then I would bring 2 belts probably and I would just roll them up and put them in the toe of my boots probably. You know, a leopard belt looks great with all my tops and kind of just adds some interest to all the neutrals. And black is just, you know, kind of a no-brainer. The jumpsuit the faux jumpsuit that I made out of the twig color tank and matching pants, I could make it really look like a jumpsuit by adding a belt. If I tucked in the shirt, or at least the front of the shirt, add either the black or taupe or leopard, belt to make it into a jumpsuit. Okay, then you're going to accessorize. I'm only going to show you a couple things. I like to bring a lot of accessories. They don't take up a lot of room. If you have a good jewelry pouch that you can keep things organized in, throw it in your personal item bag and take it, you know, with you on the plane, you know, on your person, and bring as much as you want, but think about what you're bringing and think about where you're going to wear it, what you're going to wear it with. I like to bring a necklace like this that has some color, because I am wearing a lot of neutrals. You know, you throw this on with that black dress or, you know, any of the neutral solid t-shirts, and this it's like almost has the effect of a scarf without the fuss. And then I like to bring a versatile necklace. This is a long necklace. I could wear it long one day and then double it up and wear it short the next. This just doubles up. And it's two-tone, which gives you added versatility. And then I would bring gold and silver hoops. Just basic gold and silver hoops and maybe CZ studs. And that's it for jewelry. Then I would bring my handy dandy crossbody bag that I can wear hands-free. If you're going to be getting dressed up, this is gray and it works with everything. It's my theme, black and white and grays and blush and olive. If you're going to get dressed up, you might want to throw a clutch, a dressy clutch, maybe just a black clutch to go out to dinner or whatever. But that is it, ladies. All those things are going to fit in your bag. You're going to have umpteen, love that word, outfits. You're not going to look like you're wearing the same things over and over again. You're going to be comfortable. You're going to look great, and you're going to have a great time. So that's the Reader's Digest Cliff Notes version of last week's long, drawn-out Tipsy Tuesday. Okay? I hope that helped. I'm going to go back and read all your comments and answer your questions. In the link below or above is a PDF that you can get that has packing list that you can use and make it your own, and links to things that I've talked about if you want them. But you have these things in your closet. You just have to think about when you're packing what you're going to bring. Go to your closet and try to have a list, a plan, and no willy-nilly packing, okay? Enjoy the rest of your Friday. I will see you next week for Tipsy Tuesday, and thanks for watching, and have a great weekend. Bye.